how to install zip files on Android. So in order to do that, you can install an application as Jet Archiver on your Android device through the Google Play Store. So open up Play Store and in the search bar, type in Jet Archiver and search for that, and you can install the application. Once the application is installed, tap and open up the application and allow all the necessary permissions for the application. So once you have opened up the application and allowed all the necessary permissions, inside the application, use the navigation options to locate the zip file that you want to extract. It may be in your download folders or any other folders or directory. After that, you have to extract the zip file. For that, tap on the file that you want to extract. There you will find several options as extract here or extract to. So select the appropriate option. And if you want to extract to new folder, tap on extract to and choose or create the folder. Once the extraction is complete, now you can go to the folder where the files are extracted, and there you can access the file, view or use. Tap on the file and you will have an install option. Simply tap on install, and once the installation is complete, you can use the application. And that's all. You can install zip files on Android device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.